Now the twist. Holy macaroni. Yes, honey. Okay. Um, full cup of water, please. Wow, this is absolutely beautiful. We need to let it a little bit roast. Fry in here, you know, because then it gives uh, the whole taste of the uh, what are we making?
Goulash.
Goulash. I'm sick. I can't think. The whole goulash, you know, the character of the goulash. Have to roast it a little bit on a strong fire here. Ay, chiquita, this is hot. Easy.